Hello all, I am Devabrata Pal. I am PhD student at CSID IIT Bombay and working at Honeywell Aerospace. Today we will be presenting about few short open-set recognition of hyperspectral images with outlier calibration network. In case of hyperspectral datasets, there exist multiple classes with equivalent spectral spatial reflectance, and also original ground truth does not have all the samples labeled due to the cost in labeling involved, and there exist these black pixels, but at this region multiple open classes exist like buildings, parking shed, swimming pool. So such open classes samples, when they gets encountered in closed set settings, get misclassified to one of the known classes. So it requires open set recognition where such open samples needed to be rejected as outlier and further not to classify as known classes. But traditional open set recognition also suffers from empirical threshold defining, but sometimes it is very hard to define such a threshold. So we have came up with a new approach of meta learning where we sample the episodes of support and query set. Query set is basically formed with some known class samples as well as some unknown class query samples, and they passed first through the feature extractor, our R3CBAM. Thus, from the support set features, we compute the known class prototypes, and from the query features, we first pass through VAE, variational autoencoder, to get augmented query, and all these query Euclidean distances are computed from these known class prototypes. Further, this distance is passed to our outlier calibration network, and if it predicts that it belongs to a syn class samples, its class can be obtained by applying a softmax over the Euclidean distance, which is the k dash class classification, and if it predicts unseen, then we consider this as an outlier. So basically it is a k dash plus 1 classification. So our feature extractor RTCBAM gets inspired from DRES3D CNN, which originally had a residual connection of con3D layers and pooling layers. Further to that, we augmented with CBAM 3D layers after each con3D layer. This is basically convolutional block attention module layer, okay, 3D. And so this structure is here. We get the spectral spatial features and learn the 1D attention map, and the residual features. With the residual connection, the features get refined first. Thereafter it gains 3D spectral spatial attention module, and the features are defined once more again. So basically these attention layers are formed using MLP over the average pooling and max pooling, and our outlier calibration network is developed using multi-layer perceptron of two dense layers and one dropout layer in between. So each query sample is predict whether it belongs to syn or outlier. In meta training, in each episode we get a new set of classes, and from there we sample the set of known classes and unseen classes. The unseen class samples needed to be recognized as an outlier. So in this way the OCN also gets some transferable knowledge which helps during meta testing. We have performed a comparison study over 4 benchmark HSI datasets, and RTCBAM shows 10% closed accuracy improvement for Salinas, 9% open accuracy improvement for Pavia, 26% AUROC improvement for Houston datasets. And the red curve AUROC shows our methods area under the ROC curve, which showcase high outlier rejection performance. We highlighted by changing our feature extractor DRES3D CNN, which without having the our CBAM 3D layer, it was showcasing 17% lower performance. And when we have used our query augmentation, we found 40% closed accuracy improvement in our RTCBAM network. The classification map of RTCBAM, which is the last one here, shows almost equivalent to the original ground truth classification map. Pillar could not classify multiple known class samples. Snapchat classifies one of the known class to outlier erroneously. Similar obtained for Pavia. Here a couple of known class samples. Here a couple of unknown open class samples could not be recognized. The DRES2D could not classify the known classes and recognize as outlier. Hybridization could not classify the known classes itself. So finally, in this paper, we have proposed a new outlier calibration network which does not require any defining any threshold to reject outlier. Also, we have proposed new CBAM 3D layers. In future, we would like to perform fine-grained open class recognition. Thank you.